Alright, putting on a dual steering stabilizer kit from Iron Off-Rock Road today. This is what they sent me. This is the Monroe shock. It's made in USA. This is the competitor shock. It is made in China, but it is a lot larger. The cylinder size here is a lot larger, and the shaft size is, probably as you can see, almost about twice the size. So, that's good. That's good. Alright, let's go ahead and put these back on there. The lower one is in the stock location, so it is very simple. Let's go ahead and do that. Just gotta open it up as wide as this one is. Let's go ahead and get this one off and kind of measure it up together. Real simple. So this is the drag link. It goes from your steering box over to the passenger side, and it meets the knuckle over there. So this is the drag link. You gotta open up this large enough to fit over it, and to do so, just grab a couple of wrenches like this and bend it. It's pretty simple, you know, it takes a bit of force. Just go ahead and bend it open wide enough to get it over there. And now that it's over that, let's go ahead and bend it back shut. Probably take a bit of force. There we go. Bam! That was actually pretty simple to bend it back into place like that. It's really close to where it needs to be. Let's go ahead and just let that hang there. Come up to your track bar. Your track bar goes from this side all the way up to the unibody up here. Let's go ahead and take this 18mm bolt off that holds the track bar on. Go ahead and grab your bracket. Just put the bracket up into place. Put that bolt back on it. Snug the bolt down. You don't have to make it tight, just make it snug right now. There we go. Turn it if you have to. There we go. That's just right. Cool. Alright, now that you got your U-bolt bracket and your clamp in place, go ahead and measure out the length of this. Pull it all the way out and then collapse it and get the average length, so the center basically. Go ahead and get this into place here. Okay, so you don't have to get this bolt all the way in there right now. Just got to get in there good so you can get the clamp into place. This is going to go on the other side of the clamp. Use your long 10mm bolt, nut, and this thick washer here. Okay? So, let's go ahead and put this guy through this way. Put that thick washer on right here. Put that through all the way here and tighten that down. I'm going to tighten that all the way down. That's not going nowhere. Now, let's get this bolt back out of here and tighten this track bar back up. There we go. Now, just move that out of the way a little bit. Now we can tighten this bolt down. Make sure your bracket does not move because you want to keep it right there. So, very careful with that. And there we go. Make sure your track bar is on there very tight. Don't want that coming loose. Go ahead and put this back into position here. Alright, now that your track bar is super tight, you got the bolt running through here. This is tight, so go ahead and put the washer and nut on the top right here. And that's it. Tighten that down super tight, and then let's go ahead and cycle the steering back and forth a few times and make sure that it's not binding up anywhere. One more. Yeah, that's on there super tight. So, let's take it down, cycle the steering. Alright, one last important thing to finish this up. Iron Off-Road sticker. Alright, all done. It's a dual steering auxiliary stabilizer kit. Looking fresh. Ready to go hit the trails. That's what I mean about hauling ass on these dirt roads. They are nice and smooth. I don't even hear my car vibrating that much. It's got those Bilstein shocks on it. I hear more wind noise coming in than I do any vibrations. At almost 70, 65. My exit.